Hi, this is Vicky from patternprincess.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick chain stitch. This is the beginning row that you would normally use for any kind of crochet stitches that you're going to do after the chain stitch. So I'm going to make how I first start off and get the first loop on my hook is I make a slip stitch. So here's the end of my yarn. The way that I normally make a slip stitch is I just bring the loop together like this, put my two fingers inside, bring my fingers around, bring them together. Now I put my hook through. Now both loops are on the hook, but I bring one loop through the other. This makes a really nice little slip stitch. I have the end here. Now I wrap, in order to hold the yarn so that it you have a little bit of tension in it, I wrap it around my pinky and bring this hand around like this. Then I'm able to hold here, and you can see I'm going to pull this. See how I can make that loop bigger? And if I want to make it smaller, I pull here. So it's very nice, this little slip stitch to start this off with. So I'm holding my yarn. Now I'm going to do my first chain stitch. I'm going to yarn over. That means, do you see me pick up my yarn? I'm going to pick up that yarn, bring it through that hole, pick up my yarn, bring it through the next hole, bring it through, and I'm completing a chain stitch. If you take a look, I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain stitches, and I can continue on. And if you practice a little bit, you can get your chain stitches about the same size. You'll start to learn how to get the same tension and the same size. Otherwise, sometimes when you're making your chain stitches, some are big, some are small, but you can see it's pretty consistent here. But that's just been a lot of practice. So here is how you complete a chain stitch.